another great video here. Now, for sound designers, those of us who work as sound designers and bring stuff to your timeline, there's what we call the 2-second beep. That's what we call the 2-second beep. And I just want to quickly, in a very short while, show you how to set up your 2-second beep before the very first word you have on your timeline, so that you can use that as a marker, at least to have a starting point for your project. Okay, now to do this, let's just take one of this channel. Where did the dialogue starts in this case? Let's come here. Let's take this. Oh, okay, we have it here, I guess. Let's see. We're fine here. Okay, so this is our dialogue. Let me just quickly show you some basic setting that you have to have. For example, here you have to ensure that it is time code. Okay, and then here you have still time code. Then you have 1 frame. Okay, that's your notch is set to 1 frame. Okay, now for every movement you have a frame. For example, if you have to move from here to the next, and you see it's not going anywhere until you go to the next frame, which is around here, I guess. Let's minimize a bit. Okay, your next frame will be somewhere in front. Okay, let's see. Where is this your frame? So between here and here you have a frame. You can see that clearly. Is that fine? So we have set our controls properly, and that's going to mean that if we are to click here, for example, it won't work. You can't just come and move from here to this place. You can only move between a frame. For example, you can't stay here. Okay, wherever you move is going to be frames within this project. Okay, so from here to here is 1 frame. You see, this middle is not working. You can't come here. So you're going to be moving from 1 frame to another. Now, it's assumed that this between here and here is 1 second. Between here and this place is another second. So what you need is actually 2-second count before your dialogue kicks in. So in setting 2 beep, okay, you look at, for example, let's look at channel we referred to earlier. Okay, so we have our channel here. Now the dialogue starts here, and we're going to ensure that between here, okay, alright, you can come close this way. So here now you're going to have your 2-second beep. Okay, and what I usually do, or another thing you can do, like for example, there's no word here, you can just cut. It's an empty one. Okay, you can just cut, like take this. Okay, so you have this one up onto here. From here to this place, here to this place is 1 second. From here to here is another second. So your 2 beep count is going to be taking over this position. What I do, go to Audio Suite in Pro Tools, go to Other, and then you can find your signal generator. Other, then you have signal generator. So we have a tone here, and this tone stands for this 2 seconds beep before our dialogue. So if you are to check through, you realize you're going to have just a beep, and then the dialogue kicks in. Did you get that? So that's a 2-second beep. Basically, that's how I set up the beep before my dialogue kicks in. Okay, so you have the count in here where you have 1 second and the second. Okay, 1 second, 2 seconds before this, and then of course just have any of the wave form put here, and then you create your signal generator, right? That which gives you the tone. You can hear the tone. Okay, that's the tone. That's the tone. Then the dialogue kicks in. All right, that's basically it on how to set a 2-beep count before your dialogue kicks in. Thank you. If you love this, if you enjoyed this and this was helpful, please subscribe and like to encourage us in making more videos. To encourage us to make more videos. Thank you.